बोलो।
Good morning students, I am Shweta Jain of GK School, Roypuram. If you like our video, click on the subscribe button and click on the like button. Then the videos will be updated in your YouTube and you can daily watch our videos. Today I am going to teach you 4th standard patterns. Patterns means the same, you have to just concentrate how to draw it out or how to write the numbers. Let's start the class. Z90, A81, Y72, B63. See, what is coming here? Z90, A81, Y72, B63 means Z, A, Y, B. Z is going from the decreasing order and A is going from the increasing order. So now what will come for us? X, Y, Z. So what will come here? X. And what are the numbers properly set out? It is 9 table. What is this table? 9 table. 90, 81, 72, 63 means from the back it was going. See, 8, 7, 1, 2. 1 has increased to 2 and 8 has decreased to 7. Again, 7 has decreased to 6, 2 has increased to 3. So now what will come for us? Very good. 5, 3 will increase to 4. X 54 will come. Next, see, A, B. What will come for us? C. Very good. C. What will come? Again, what this number will become? This number will decrease and this number will increase. So, what is our fill-up? Our fill-up is C 45. Okay, see. Second one is very easy. You can only say it out. What is our second one? 11, 22, 33, 44 means it is 11 table. So what will come here? 55. 11 6 are 66. So what is coming here? See, 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44, 11 5s are 55, 11 6s are 66. Now what is the number here? 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16. Think in your mind that which is the table going on. So what is the table going on, students? 4 table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28. Very good. Next, see what is our number? 1, then 2 digits. How many digits are there? 2 digits you are having. Next, how many are there? 3 digits you are having. So, what will come now? 4 digits, 4. So, what will come? 4 digits, 4. Very good. Next, what will come? 5. So, what is becoming now? What is becoming? 5. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. What is our next? 5 5s. Like that you have to concentrate the patterns. What is going on increasing? What is decreasing? Which is the table given in our pattern? Now see what is given? Triangle, circle. Circle, triangle. So again what will come over? Triangle, circle. Circle, triangle. Triangle, circle. Is it clear, students? Just you have to concentrate. It is very easy only. Now what is given? Shape. What is this shape, students? What is this shape? Hexagon. See, first line, then they have increased to 2, then they have increased to 3, then they are increased to 4, like that full shape. So, you have to start from here again. 1, 2, 3, like that you have to end it out. Next, what we are having, see, A triangle, 2 squares. A alphabet, 1 triangle, 2 squares. And what came your last alphabet? Z. 1 triangle, 2 squares. So after A what will come? B. Yeah, very good. B, 1 triangle and 2 squares. Very good, students. So patterns is nothing. You have to concentrate how to draw, how to write. Few more examples I am going to see you. Just 1 minute. See students, now we are going to see complete the sequence. Good morning once again. I am Shweta Jain of GK Jain School, Roypuram. If you like our video, please click on subscribe button. Subscribe our school GK Jain School and click on like button. See, what is sequence? It is very easy. Just you have to concentrate. It is just like brain pay. You used to have a brain pay, abacus, Vedic maths. Just like that, I am going to teach you the sequence in that technique. See, first one is 9 into 6 is equal to 54. That you all know. 9 6 are 54. Okay. What is second one? 9 into 6 6. 2 6. 2 6, it is really little bit difficult, right? So what is the technique here? See, 9 6 are 54. You use it this 6, right? 1 6 you used. 1 6 only left over. What is it? 9 6 are 54. You used 1 6. 1 6 left over and you are multiplying with 9. So in the place of this 6 put on 9. Easy no? Okay, one more see. 9 6 are 54. Okay. So you use it this 6. How many 6 left over? These 2 6 are left over. So insert 2 9s in middle. Very good. Understood? One more. See, 9 6 are 54. Okay. I use it this 6. How many 6 left over? 1, 2, 3. So what you have to do? You have to add 3 9s. 1, 2, 3. So simple na? So okay. One more. Again 9 6 are 54. Correct? How many 6 left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you have to replace the 6 with? You have to replace the 6 with 4 9s. Correct, students? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it easy? Just you have to replace the 6 with the 9. That's it. You have to count down how many 6 left over and place in this 6 as 9. Okay. One more example. See. 9 1 1 1 means you already all know. 9 1 1 means triple line. 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9. Again, what is the technique here in 2, 3, 4, 5? Let's see. 9 2s are, what is 9 2s are? 18. Very good. See. Again you have written 18. Right? 1 8. How many 2s left over? These 2 left over. So what you have to do again? Replace the 2 with 9 and write down 9. See, these 2 2s left over. So what you did? 2 9s. Very good, students. Again, 9 3s are, what is 9 3s are? 27. How many 3s left over? 2 3s left over again. So what you have to write? You have to replace the 3 with 9. So what you have to do? 2 9s. Is it clear? Again, 9 fours are, what is 9 fours are 36. Yeah, you use a discount. How many fours left over? 2 fours left over. So you have to replace 2 fours with 2 nines. 1 9, 1 9. Very good. So 2 nines. Yeah. 9 fives are. What is 9 fives are? 45. Very good, students. How many left over? 2 left over. So 5 is replaced with 9. How many nines you have to add? 2 nines. Very good. Really it's easy, no? Just you have to concentrate, and because see all are nines, you have to replace these numbers with 9. What you have to replace? Replace the numbers with 9 and add it over and write down. Is it clear? Okay. Once more I am saying, you see. 9 6 are 54. 1 6 left over. 1 9. Here also 9 2s are 18. 2 left over. 2 9s. Is it clear? Once you practice at your home, you will find very easy, and then we will see you in our next one more video. Thank you, students.